Hi everyone, my name is Blaec Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to make a map using Ipyleaflet in the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com, and I'm going to head over to my projects. Here I can select the project that I'd like to work inside of or create a new one. I'll go ahead and click on My First Project. And at this point, you can see my shared file system. If you have a collaborator that you'd like to work with, you can head over to the user panel and add their email address, and then they'll have access to the shared workspace with you. But for now, let's go ahead and create a brand new Jupyter notebook. So I'll head over to the plus new button located on the left-hand side. And here I'll name this Maps. Click Jupyter Notebook. And then now I can select the kernel. I'll use Python 3. So we want to use Ipyleaflet, so we'll say from Ipyleaflet import map. Okay. And now what we want to do, we want to create a map centered around Seattle, Washington. Okay, and let's do that. So to do that, we can say, what's a good name for this? Seattle map is equal to map, and we want this to be centered somewhere. We'll have to look that up. Okay, and now we want to put the coordinates in here. And we'll wait for that. And then we'll probably want some zoom set. Okay. And then we want to display that map. Alright, so now we need to figure out where this thing's centered. So we're going to look up the location of Seattle, and we can use the AI assistant to do that. So let's go ahead and click AI assistant. What is the location of downtown Seattle, Washington? Okay. Okay, so we have our coordinates. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. And negative 122.3321. Okay. And let's see. We'll start with 13. Oops, 13. Let's try that. Okay. And here is our map of Seattle using Ipyleaflet. So I'd say that's a success, and we can go ahead and zoom in a little bit. But there we go. But this is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI and using Ipyleaflet. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.